Hello, welcome to Sunrise Sleep Test Onboarding video. To set up the Sunrise application and create your account, you will need imperatively the internet with the Wi-Fi, 3G or 4G network. All the following preparation steps can be done regardless of the night of test, at any time of the day. The account creation does not require your phone until bedtime, so feel free to use it as usual until the night. To download Sunrise application, go to the App Store if you have an iPhone or go to the Google Play Store if you have another smartphone brand. Type into the search bar Sunrise Sleep and select the application corresponding to the Sunrise logo entitled Sunrise Sleep. Tap Install. In a few minutes, the free application will be installed on your phone. Click Open. To be able to record your night, the application must have an access to the camera, to the notifications, to the Bluetooth, and to the location, sometimes also called position, of your phone. If the application does not ask for it by itself, go to the settings of the Sunrise application to activate these different points. Please make sure that the airplane mode is turned off. You are now ready to create your Sunrise account. Click Get Started, then click Next several times. After passing few screens of confirmation, you will arrive here. Click Start and then Create an account. Here, choose the option that suits your situation. After, you will need to enter some of your personal data, including your email address. To create your account, you will need to choose a password. It should contain at least 6 characters, 1 upper, 1 lower, 1 digit, and 1 special character. Then you will need to enter some of your physical characteristics. To measure your neck circumference, a tape measure is available in the paper pouch of your box. Then you have a questionnaire with some questions about your sleep. It takes about 10 minutes to be completed. Next step is just before the bedtime. You will need to connect your sensor with the Sunrise application. Click Pair my first sensor, then click Pair my sensor again. Here your camera activates to detect the QR code on the back of your Sunrise sensor. Put the phone on it so it can recognize it. Then remove the sticker on the back side of the sensor. It will blink few times with the red light, which means that the sensor is activated. Several instructions show you how to position it on the chin. The sensor alone does not always adhere enough. We highly recommend using the additional adhesive tape provided in the kit. Refer to the video to position your adhesive tape. Firstly, put the sensor on the chin as showed. To use the adhesive tape, remove the black protective film and stick it on the sensor without stretching it. Then, remove the 2 other protections from both sides and gently tap the adhesive until it takes the shape of your chin. After this step, you still have some information to specify about your condition before the start of the test night. Then you arrive on this screen. Check that all conditions are met for the night to go well. Click Next, then check the phone settings. If the small check boxes are checked in white, you're ready for your test night. Now you can go to bed and click Start Recording. When you wake up, click the Stop button to finish recording of your night, then confirm. Answer a few questions asked about the state of your night. You can also leave a possible comment for you or your doctor. Your night is ready to be analyzed. It may take about 10 minutes. Please do not close your application and check that you're connected to the internet, Wi-Fi, 3G or 4G network. Also, please check that the airplane mode is turned off so that your registration is sent for analysis. You will then have an access to the report of your night. To share it with your doctor, go to the Doctor tab and enter your doctor's email address.